You will be amazed by this 2019 INFINITI QX60. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer. This handsome QX60 delivers confidence and luxurious comfort on every drive. Advanced safety tech, available all-weather capability, premium amenities, and smooth power are yours in this tastefully appointed SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, navigation system, power liftgate, fog lamps, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, third row seat, seat memory, intermittent wipers. Don't hold back. Get the luxury you've always wanted in this QX60. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.